ServiceTitan is built for trades businesses that need scheduling, dispatching, customer management, and business operations tools in one platform. But smaller teams need to decide if the extra complexity is actually useful for them. By the end, you'll know what ServiceTitan is designed to do, which types of small teams benefit from it, and what to check before paying for a platform like this. ServiceTitan is a field service management platform made for businesses like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical companies. It helps companies manage jobs from the first customer call through scheduling, technician work, follow-up, and reporting. The main advantage is having more of the business connected in one place. Instead of tracking customer details, appointments, technician activity, and business information across different systems, a company can manage those processes through one platform. For a small team, the biggest question is not whether ServiceTitan has features. The question is whether those features match the way the business operates. A solo contractor or very small operation may not need a full business management system if their workflow is simple. If most jobs are handled through basic scheduling and direct communication, a large platform may feel like more than they need. A growing team has a different situation. When more employees, more customers, and more daily jobs are involved, having organized systems can reduce manual work and make it easier to track what is happening across the business. Before choosing ServiceTitan, look at 3 things. First, check your current problems. If missed appointments, scattered customer information, or difficult job tracking are slowing the business down, a dedicated platform may solve real issues. Second, compare the learning curve. A powerful system only helps if the team actually uses it. Make sure employees can follow the workflow without creating extra confusion. Third, compare the total cost with the value you expect to get. A tool should save time, improve organization, or help the business operate better. ServiceTitan is not automatically the right choice for every small team. It makes the most sense for businesses that need structured processes and want to manage more than just basic scheduling. The next step is to write down the biggest operational problems in your business and compare them against what ServiceTitan can solve. If this helped you understand whether ServiceTitan fits your team, like the video and subscribe for more practical software comparisons.